Richmond American Homes is pleased to introduce the Boston Plan, part of the contemporary urban collection, showcasing paired homes at exciting prices. A covered front porch gives this modern two-story paired home ample curb appeal. The eye-catching plan features designer details like airy 9-foot ceilings, plus a 2-car alley entry garage, and approximately 1,260 square feet of living space. As you enter the Boston, you'll be greeted by a convenient powder room and open living and dining rooms, a perfect layout for entertaining. Next, you'll discover an inviting kitchen, complete with a roomy pantry, an optional extended center island. Imagine the dinner parties you could host in this beautiful space. Adjacent to the kitchen is a relaxing covered patio with optional center meat doors to bring the outside in. Upstairs, discover a lavish master suite, boasting an immense walk-in closet and a private bath with double sinks and a spacious shower. Extra windows have been optioned, allowing even more natural light to flood these stylish spaces. The plan also includes a standard second bedroom with an attached bathroom, but this model showcases an optional third bedroom with a shared bath. You'll also appreciate a central laundry that can accommodate a stackable washer and dryer. No more lugging baskets of clothing up and down the stairs. The Boston Plan offers thoughtful included features and hundreds of exciting options to personalize your living space. Designed with you in mind for the way you want to live. Richmond American Homes.